Good day traders. Ayan. So nag-profit tayo kahapon ng $42 sa isang account. So marami tayong minamanage na account. So December 5. Okay. So check natin simula November 27 at saka papuntang December 5. Okay. So total tayo ng $559. Yan. So araw-araw siya profit, guys. Yan, November 27, profit siya, total wins. November 28, profit ulit, total wins. So, linggo at sabado, walang market. Kaya, nag-start ulit ng Monday, December 1, profit ulit, total wins. Yan. So, December 2, profit ulit, total wins. Okay. So, December 3, ganun din, profit ulit. December 4, araw-araw siya, guys, profit. So, araw-araw tayo pwede maka-withdraw. Ayan. So, baka magtanong kayo if may floating o wala siyang floating. Good news dito, guys, wala siyang floating. Okay? So, life changing yung EE na to, combination sa strategy ko. Inaral ko pa since 2020 pa. Yan. So, combination siya, guys. So, guarantee, guys, na lalago o mag-grow yung account natin. At saka after weeks, after ilang months, years, pwedeng kumita ng milyon gamit yung strategy at saka EE ko. Okay?